guys, welcome back to my channel Dadwithdy. Today I'll tell you how to get free App Store apps and free in-app purchases in iOS 12.4. So let's get started. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe for some amazing content. If you haven't jailbroken your devices yet, there would be an I button on the top right corner. So click on it and watch the video and learn how to jailbreak your devices. As without jailbreaking your devices, you won't be able to get free in-app purchases or free App Store apps. Okay, so guys, first what you have to do is open Cydia and go to sources. From here you have to add two sources. You have to add the resources which are marked on the screen. To add resources, you simply have to just click on edit, then click add, and here you can easily add the source and then press add source. Okay, so guys, as you add the marked resources, what you have to do is go to search and then search for AppCake and install this tweak. After this, you have to go and search for AppSync. You have to install this tweak. And the last tweak you want to install is local IPA store. After installing the AppCake tweak, you can see that the AppCake app has installed to my phone. To get free App Store apps, you have to go to AppCake app and search for any app that is paid. Suppose I want to download GTA. So I'll search GTA and you can see that these GTA apps are available for free. Okay, so guys, to get free in-app purchases, you have to go to settings and search for local IAP store. It will be somewhere around here. Now you have to make sure the both of the options are turned on. Okay, so guys, now I'll tell you how to get free in-app purchases. So choose any app that has in-app purchases. I'll choose PixArt. To buy PixArt Gold, I'll have two options. So I'll be choosing the yearly, which includes 3-day free trial. I'll click continue and this window will pop up. Just click cancel and as you can see, I've got the subscription for free without paying any money. In this video I gave you a tutorial on how to get free apps and free in-app purchases using Cydia. So I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video.